everyone, it's Lynette with Charm Grammy Crochet. How you doing today? I don't know how this lighting is going to go on here, but welcome to my channel. Welcome to the dining room. We are in the dining room because today is a giveaway drawing from a random comment pickers. If you recall, last week I did a sponsored video from Crochetta. Wait, I thought it was on the box here. Just Crochetta. Oh, excuse me. You can buy these little kits on Amazon. There will be a link for this one in the description box below. When you get to this one, then you can see all the others that they have available. And so they sent me this kit as a excuse me, to do a video on an unboxing and talk about their little kits. And I told them that I already had this kit. I've already made from this kit. Gave that stuff away. And I said, you know, I would be glad to have that, and I would do that as a giveaway. But I also liked these other two kits. So let's see what I could make from that, you know, how they work up and whatever. So I made this one. And so let me show you. This is my little guy. Isn't it just so cute? I totally love the balloon dog. I could have done, I think, a better job sewing it tight. I don't know. But I think it's adorable. I totally love it. I love the color. I love everything about it. So in the kit, you get everything. If you are a beginner crocheter, and you've never, you know, tried crocheting before and you thought, oh, I would really like to give it a try. I don't know how to do anything. Everything you need to make an amigurumi comes in here. You get the fiber fill. So I made the dog. I still have this much fiber fill left in the pattern. You receive the yarn. I had 2 skeins of the orange, 2 little skeins, and I still have this much left. I did not do the test for gauge. I don't really think we need a gauge on an individual amigurumi. You get scissors, you get darning needle, you get, if there was safety eyes involved, you would get the safety eyes. You get the stitch markers. You get, oops, let me close this up. You get the pattern book with complete instructions. You get 2 crochet hooks for the size that you need. I dropped one in my couch, so I was really glad to have 2. Because I didn't go looking for it, to be honest. It's a recliner. It's probably stuck underneath. And then you get this little booklet that has instructions on how to make all the stitches. And there's a QR code on the back for individual tutorials on how to make all of the stitches. That's what you get in this, and this is what's left of making one of the amigurumis. This is what I have left. I totally loved it. I think he's really cute. I had no problems with anything on either kit. This is not my first kit, as I said. And I just think they're adorable. My daughter and I built from the first kit. We both made some of these from the kit that I received from her for Christmas this past year. And again, everything you need is in the kit. All the yarns, all the supplies, the fiber fill, everything. Totally cute, including little scissors. I mean, little snippers. They're just snippers, but they're awesome. And then I also had, they sent me as a gift also the penguins. Oh, penguin family. I ripped the side of the box when I was trying to open it. Sorry. And again, everything you need, including in this one, you get safety eyes. I didn't read the pattern. I didn't have time to make this one, but there was a glue stick involved. Fiber fill, all the yarn you need, everything. your booklets in the bottom, everything that you need to make these. Totally cute. And as I said, I did not, in the past week, have a chance to make both kits. You know, life was just too short for the week. So, because I didn't make both kits this week, I thought, obviously I cannot give away this kit because I already made it. But I thought I would do a double drawing instead. Since I didn't get to make the penguins this week, I will draw 2 names. The first one is going to get the plants, and the second name that I draw will get the penguins. And the penguins, you can't really tell, but it's like a hat. And, you know, if you know anything about penguins, the parents sit on the babies, and the egg, and then the babies until they're big enough to withstand the Arctic temperatures. And so the way this is made is you take the hat off and it's the baby underneath. So what was the mom or dad, pink blue, now becomes the baby, which I think is so awfully cute as well. So you're kind of getting like 4, like you're getting the family. So that's kind of cute. So I have already put in on my computer the information so that we can do the random comment picker. So I'm going to switch you around over here so you can see my computer. There we go. Oh, you can also see, oh, hold on. Okay, here we go. I guess I turned it around the wrong way, but now we're better. So I put in the YouTube stuff, everything we needed, and get comments. So let's see how many comments we have. There are 67 unique comments. And then I think we come down here to let's pick a winner. And let's see who's coming up. First winner is at Rachel.King. So Rachel, I'm writing this down. I'm going to need you to go into the comment on here on the original video from last week. I'm going to need you to go in there and put in the word cactus, because you won the cactuses. And then email me, tell me that you've done that, and give me your email address, and I will send you out, or not your email address, your physical address, and I will send you out the cactus one. Now let's go with start another raffle. Oh no, oh wait, down here, pick another winner. Start. And we have Tracy. All right, Tracy. Tracy LG. Again, Tracy, same thing. I need you to go into the original drawing, put the word penguin, spelling doesn't count, guys, by the way. Put the word penguin in your comment, then email me at charmedgrammy@gmail.com. My email is in all of my videos. So go into the original video from last Sunday, put in penguin or cactus, whichever one you won. Tracy, you won the penguin. Rachel, you won the cactus. So, you know, put in there that you've changed your original comment or added to your original comment. And give me your regular mailing address, and I will get these out in the mail to... Oh, Tracy, you're the one that ordered the 3 kits. Oh, that's awesome. I'm glad that you won the penguin and not the kit and not the cactus, because you already have that one. That's awesome. I hope you enjoyed them so much, and I'm so happy that you won an extra one. That's fabulous. Okay, guys, that's all I have for this video. Again, the link to the original kits, the cactus kit, is going to be in the description box below. This is a sponsored video because they are the ones providing the gifts. So congratulations to the winners. Again, email me. And hey guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.